Trump says Brazil is one of the worst trade partners. And the Brazil charges us
lower bands touch NQ on the 39.
So just keep an eye on the Brazilian real as Trump is speaking. It is weakening a little bit. Again, as Trump says that Brazil is one of the worst
Double
trade
delta
partners.
NQ on the 4.
Brazil charges us tremendous tariffs.
Welcome aboard, everyone. What exactly is Algo, and why do our traders absolutely love it? Michael Othrow. Alrighty then, are you ready indeed? Let me turn the mic up here. Mic check, mic check. Let me know if you guys can hear me all right. We've got some work to do here this afternoon. Let's see, I was out this morning taking care of a lot of things there, and yeah, I've got no trades on. Let me see what's going on with the market here today. How did we go at it here today? So I'm gonna sit down here in the afternoon. Whoops, wrong button there. We're not celebrating yet. I got no money on the boards yet. Okay.
Divergence up NQ on the 9.
Is this the open line? Did we just... Are we all the way back to... Dude, this was my nightmare yesterday.
CME group interest rate.
Are we coming right back to same thing as yesterday, prior close, open, everything else? How is it that I have arrived here today? Am I the bad luck? Oh, no. So I show up here at 2 o'clock and we're at the worst place for me to trade. What's going on here? That's not... It just doesn't seem right. Market should be ready for me. Okay, let me get the... live chat. Oh, I don't have the chat on. Let me pop that out here. Anybody got any pro tips on how to deal with passive aggression from people? Anybody got the inside scoop on what do you do with people that are... You know, you could just tell it's a passive-aggressive thing.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 39.
Is there some wisdom in here today? Anybody got some wisdom on passive-aggressive behavior?
Ed Barkin says business sentiment
people you have to
in some ways, but it's not
deal
yet
with
on the hiring mode.
Anybody? Because I don't understand.
On the hiring side,
I'm not the passive-aggressive type. If I'm upset, I think you're gonna know. No, I mean, you probably don't know. What am I talking about? You guys would never know if I was upset about anything. Absolutely not. I'm super calm, cool, and collected.
Troops has not been put before me.
Super passive, you know me. I just laugh at them. Well, if you're at a point where you can't laugh at them because you got to work with them,
Still do not.
I don't know what to do with that. It's hard.
We're not seeing a fog lift on hiring side. Trump says,
let's see.
Set the table for next meeting during tomorrow's Putin.
I could say it makes communication very difficult.
So I want the second meeting to happen very shortly after.
get the chat
And I
here
would like
on
it to be in
screen.
Alaska. And Trump says, I will know
Yeah,
whether
probably
Putin meets
over
very quickly.
back, and
Remember, he
let's see
did
if
say
it'll let
yesterday
me
that he will
add
know
the
in a couple of
chat.
minutes.
Here we go. Real-time protection. This, well, let's double and triple check that here real quick
Trump says, if we have a good
before we get
meeting,
rolling.
peace in the near future.
Yes. All right, real-time protection is off.
NQ on the
Coming into far close. Blue dots call bottoms all the time. We're right here next to
Says credit card and
the open line. So
maybe stronger.
I'm cruising for a bruising here. So as soon as I stop hearing sellers on the tape, I'm gonna go ahead and swing at it anyways.
double delta.
There we go. It's a super dot afterwards. Go for a half position here. Might be my first trade of the day on a blue dot. Unfortunately, it is right around the open line. So I don't have a whole lot of faith in it, but it is such a powerful thing when you're a blue dot. You know what I mean? I would take that any other time.
Concludes remarks of the White House.
I got a terrible entry, and I did have about 19 ticks there a moment ago. Can you give me my full 20?
Lower bands touch NQ on the 39. Lower bands touch NQ.
One of those spots where we're just going to completely ignore the open line. Fun. Timing coming up here in a couple of bars.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 39.
Bottom of a bull zone from yesterday. And yep, strikes again. A perfectly beautiful play there at the open line and ruined. Oh, thanks for sharing, Alex. Used Algo box on a live account today, pre-New York Open, plus 1300 USD. Can't stop studying now. Haha, happy to hear it, sir. Hey, congratulations on that. I'm assuming that little infant is a newborn. Congratulations on your little one there. Like your profile pic there.
Double delta NQ on the 9. Lower bands touch NQ on the 39.
Stay calm, set clear boundaries. Oh, there's that word again. I was just laughing with Eddie about And they like to lay out boundaries. What does that mean? Set clear boundaries. What does that mean exactly? That's not the first time that line comes up. Like, what about in relationships where there's not supposed to be a boundary? When you're like, you actually need to work with the person, you know, that whole deal. It's like, well, we'll work. I see what you're saying. Like, so you're just like, we just take care of the work thing. Is that what it is? Is that the, well, we'll work through the stuff we have to work with, but we're not going to be friends. Well, like that's how low, I mean, look, that's how low IQ people work. At sea level, where there's business ownership and things, you know, you sit together, you have dinner together, your lives are intertwined, you know. I don't know, man. I guess I'm too old school that there should be a relationship around stuff you got to work with. It's a little bit too tricky there for me. The only games I have time for in life are games like this one where we're there to make some money. I got no time for people's personal games. Let's see. Gonna go 20.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 39.
Fed's Barkin says it's still early days for businesses adapting supply chains to account for tariffs.
All right, I'm gonna eat the loss here on the blue dot break right up underneath it. Okay, so let's see if we can find some better plays than that slow creep through there. I mean, we are still on moderate buy through that whole thing. And yeah, probably should be able to go back up there to the open. Very rare to see the open completely kind of just ignored. So anyhow, we had first play there is a loser.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Hey Vinny, how's the P&L? Oh, not good yet. Not good yet. 2,800 in the hole at the moment. So I'm gonna have my work cut out here for me this afternoon. That's like playing the game on the highest difficulty level.
Fed's Barkin says manufacturers are all struggling with margin pressures.
Microaggression. You know what's funny is it feels like, and the nicer I am, like the more passive aggressive they get. Is that weird? Very weird. I'm telling you, man, I have just found out in life, nice guys finish last. It literally, I just don't think it pays. You can't do anything being nice. You can get nothing done. All right, I'm gonna get short with it. We got a delta shift here. I'm hearing strong sellers coming on in there.
And they may make firms more cautious about passing along tariff costs.
Is this one of those where we're going to... They're going to float it, and they are going to hold this from yesterday? Actually, I'm going to remove all these lines. I'm going to pretend like I don't know any of that is there. It's a new day, so we don't know. I haven't seen any of that. We do have a... We have a big bear right here, so I do need to mark that. That's the most recent one. Big bear here. He wants to go 250. From the meat of that move, where is 250 at? Prior low.
Fed's Barkin says unemployment at 4.2% is not a bad number.
Okay, we're popping up here. Peel off half. Bear target is down at the cipher on the 39s. Yeah, man, that's a long way down there. Mr. Hendricks, the wise, has made note here. We have a cipher, juicy cipher target down there. I mean, if we go, I'm here for it. None of the downside stuff has been easy in this Trump Antichrist pushed market at all, ever. 223, we're still on strong buy even after all of that move down on NQ. Still strong buy, which I actually kind of like. I mean, I love a big fake out. I do. Does across need to hear sellers? If I'm going to add to my position here, we are on a cross. I'd like to hear sellers step with it. Mr. Quinn, good afternoon, sir. Great to see you. Oh, then look, they're already botting my channel. And here we go. The oh, let's take this off always on top here. And they're already the competitor. They can't compete, so they gotta cheat. They want to come over here and try to F up our channels, so we'll prevent them from growth. I don't actually think that's working, but you know what? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. If anybody's got any more details on that or has done any research on it, I don't know. I was asking yesterday. Like, I don't know who or why they're doing that. Makes no sense to me, but they're trying to make it look like I'm botting our channel to make it look like I'm creating fake traffic. It's clever. It's a clever trick. I hope that that's not something that YouTube punishes for, but they're probably not used to actual businesses
slowing growth in job gains
coming out and talking on YouTube. They're just looking for people who want to make money from YouTube. Well, that's not me. Let's see. All right, this is nice because I can use the 6 for a visual stop point, which is basically at my
it says original job statement more surprising than revisions.
Point of entry at the moment. Hey Brian, how about a Trump tweet to get the market moving? Yeah, sure. I'm down. I'm here for it. All right. I'm not willing to risk it right there. It's beehiving on large timing.
VIP.NQ on the
So I wanted to
39.
try to get a little bit more there. That one's a little bit of a green.
89.
Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Could have held it out there. Be back in positive territory. King timing coming up here in a few bars. I'll Seuss it on the rest. I'm trying to trigger some sort of fraud detection system. I failed to see why someone would do that, or even. Well, that's what they're trying to do. I think that is exactly. I believe that's their angle. Is to make it so that YouTube doesn't organically. You know, most channels grow organically because YouTube will redistribute the videos that are getting attention, but if they think that someone is cheating the system, then I would imagine if they have a triggering mechanism to be like, oh, it's got a bunch of botted views or botted likes or something like that, then they will be like, oh, well, they're fake views or something like that, and fake likes. So, you know, it must be them doing it.
There is pressure on cost.
So, you know, it's some little clever tricks from the competitors. Like I said, they can't compete, so they gotta cheat. Another big bear on the 9s. Let's see. Yes, it is. Almost hard to see because this one dwarfed it. It was like a level 2000 earlier today, and they could come back and defend that. So we're not out of the woods yet on this play. This could fake trap. This is so slow and just too easy to get in on a short down here. It just feels almost too easy. So I don't know. Yep, stuff like that. Yep, back to the nice guys finish last routine.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
All right, another delta shift. Just trying to play in the direction of the big bears here. Would like to have this come off of moderate buy. We still have 3 out of the 4 correlated instruments to the long side. Seeing RTY is pointed straight up. Dow is sitting a little weird in a spot where it could just relaunch again. It's just been following its top line golden rope for forever. And it's put in a cross up there, so Dow may not be ready. ES right under its golden ropes here. Could be poised to launch back up, so we're not just counting on an easy ride.
Futures settle at $63.
NQ, interestingly enough, is the one that has come down the most off of those, which could be dangerous because that could just be the deepest pullback for them to buy it up here at the end of the day. 232.
NYMEX natural gas September futures settle at around $2.84.
400.
Says underlying dynamics for households still seem strong given wage gains and employment.
NYMEX gasoline September futures settle at around $2.10 a gallon.
Hey, Kath, good to see you.
NYMEX diesel September futures settle at around $2.23 a gallon.
This short just feels too easy. Don't like it.
Divergence up NQ on the 39. Divergence up NQ on the 9.
That is a DCR long. I'm going to do it. I'm going to get long. It is a DCR long. In an environment where we are moderate buy. DCR. Is that are those the same number? It is. Wait, is that a 6? Not the same number. Okay, they're not identical. Thought they were identical for a minute there. All right, playing the same color, DCR, delta shift to the left.
Feds Barkin says, if businesses get to a point of needing to reduce costs, they may turn to AI as a way to save on labor. And it's still early days for businesses adapting supply chains to account for tariffs.
Hey yo, listen up, I tell the spin about them algorithmic trades where you win or you spin in the market maze where the bulls and bears collide. Algo box on Ninja making trades so wide day in day out. It's the Algo box flow. Chin bits is text in the know. Patterns laid out, no guess, no stress. Profits locked in, no mess, pure finesse.
Come on, NQ, get me out of this funk.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Will the bears maintain control? Which is weird. Like, what bears? I mean, just came all the way down, but we're on strong buy. This is such a weird setup here. DCR. That 20 ticks right here. So, can we get a full 20? Come on, man. Get up there and go touch that white line. There's 40. Thank you. As pressing the wrong buttons there. Wow. So I'm trying to hit sell ask and my finger was on the buy bid. All right. I should not be here trading today. I am in the wrong state of mind. All right. So DCR played out, got its 40. 50 something. Wow, I can't even draw those properly. 69 ticks. And then she turned around. Okay. Play some of the new songs. That's a good idea. Let's change the mood. Let's elevate the mood with some good music and a new attitude. It's a great idea, Eddie. I can always count on the Eddie.
The nights were long, the loss is deep. I held my breath, afraid to leave. The storms don't break, but they can drown. I'm still here, I'm standing now. Broken charts and midnight screams. I was chasing ghosts and dreams. Every loss left cracks in stone, but I built my edge alone. Patience taught me where to stand. Bank off lesson into my hands. I found the silence in the grind. Turn my fear into desire. I can't erase the scars I've earned, but every cut was worth the burn. I face a fire, I don't run. My war has only just begun. Rise through the storm, through the night, through the fire. Every fall, every war takes me higher, higher. I'll bend but I won't break. I'll learn from every step. I'll rise through the storm. Through the storm. Through the storm. Through the storm. The crowds all talking noise and lies, but I see truth beneath their eyes. They wanna play, they want the fame, but I want freedom more than that. They called me reckless, called me small, said I'd crumble, said I'd fall, but I'm the wave, I'm
Yeah, we're gonna play some charts wide open next. Do me a favor, smash that like button anyways. Let's get as many normal, real likes on the channel as possible to counteract this nonsense that these low IQ wannabe competitors, they can't compete, so they gotta cheat.
Connection.
I'll hold my ground, I'll lead the way through the storms, I'll never stray. Rise, rise, the fire's in me. Rise, rise, I'll never leave. The storm will fade, but I'll remain standing tall, unafraid.
Brent crude futures settle at $66.84 a barrel, up $1.21 or 1.84%.
While we're early alone, feels like my life is taking shape. I close my eyes.
Hey, Martone, great to see you, sir. What's up, Mac? You guys are like my therapy session. Oh my goodness.
It's not luck, it's skill and plan. Algo taught me how to stand with shots wide open under the screen's light. Welcome to this trade. I'll show you every fight with shots wide open. With shots wide open.
Look at that DCR. Nice job, sir.
I once feared the loss and doubt,
Yeah, that's a good point.
but now I've mapped the breakout route. I take a breath, click on the light.
Yeah, I do myself a lot of disservice trying to help people out.
With shots wide open under the screen's light. Welcome to
I never really understood that phrase back in the day when I was younger of like, what do they mean no good deed goes unpunished? You don't find that out till you're old.
2-finger NQ on the 39.
What's up, Dork? Good to see ya.
with shots wide open. If I could pass just one command, stay disciplined, don't trade by hand. Let stats and structure guide your way, and greet the tech with no delay. With charts wide open.
That DCR was wonderful. Took partial for 26 at the top of the channel. Added back on the Seuss. Held until a red dot. Very nice.
Welcome to this edge. I'll show you
Yeah, that red dot showed up in there and then pierced. I remember that. Okay, here comes a shark back. This might be the short spot. We'll see. All right, back up to prior low, prior close. I'm sorry, did I say prior low? The open and prior close. Samurai sword looking chicken head. All right, move. Let's see, it's 125 ticks to the shark back from the DCR. The original blue dot was back here, coming through it. Small bull. Kind of add this in the front though and say big in there. Okay, this becomes a defense leg now. There's a super AO. I'll start getting short because I'm a FOMOer. And I'd like to see some more on that up into the barrier. Get it? The big bear area. We've got the big bear up in the red zone there. We'll expect some defense in there. Excuse me. This probably has some more upside move to it there, just the way that this works, but
Fib.NQ on the 4.
on top of the fact that it is right here at the open line and tends to be. Let's see. Gonna make me half up above the cross here, or are you gonna let me have some?
But chasing dreams just left me battered, false hope dressed up as strategy.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
As clarity. Was blind till I saw the lines. Algo box gave me back my mind.
That is a power headshot in there. Yep, I cracked it. You all right? Oh no, I'm not. I'm pretty pissed off about a lot of things right about now.
Fear drawn to the screen, lost in trades that took my steam, red to green, then back again. No plan, just pain, no means to win, but now I map what others miss. Structure leads, no hit or miss. Learn to wait to find my
Hey, thanks, Big Strader. Appreciate it.
Touch NQ on the 39.
Deuce. Wow, they didn't fill me on either of those. That's downside accelerator.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 39.
$39. Oh, saw 40 for a moment. All right, we'll get it to 5K on the day. Little DCR, little Super AO. Why not?
Fed's Barkin says multiple
Delta NQ on the
seeing a
4.
shortage coming and higher rent.
Yeah, I forgot. I don't really like this one. And the words in there, not appropriate for me. I am a God-fearing man. There's definitely a good God above. And he is coming soon.
Another screen glows early, another loss is lurking. And the pressure keeps on building. Who am I? I'm hurting. But you see, it's not greedy, it's not insanity. In my head, I keep
Does it mess with the channel? Sounds like 2,000 likes would help out. Yeah, but look, when they, I mean, the YouTube algorithm should be able to know that that's fake, right? We only have, like, you know, I came in the afternoon, we only have 100 people on stream, 100 people, 2,000 likes. I'm pretty sure they can do the math on that. Right, like, it's a bunch of fake accounts making fake likes. So I would imagine that, I mean, if I were writing algorithms, I'd be like, oh, somebody's trying to cheat the system. So they're trying to make it look like I'm trying to cheat the system. It's not me doing it, but it's a very, you know, it's a clever white collar criminal type of thing that these idiots like Pocket Pooper, Jigsaw, you know, apparently even the QuantView turds do. They went out there and made fake reviews on AlgoBox, and then with the same account made a positive review on their stuff. Like, I think I showed y'all that before, right? That was weird.
while his capital is faded.
They cannot compete.
The signal
They gotta cheat.
doubt is dominated.
there's the 100 tick move. They took it exactly 100 ticks. So bulls still in control here. They let it go down exactly 100. Very common.
Calling, screaming, learning, yeah. What's in my head, falling, rising,
What's your review on ATS of QView? I don't know. What is ATS? Let me see. ATS, automated trading system. Is this the one where they have to set up the? They set you up and with a virtual machine and all that. All right, so they're gonna let me come back in here and swipe out again. Pretty easy spot here, 5.6. We had reversals on the bottom side here. Man, somebody definitely stepped in big right there. That's very weird. Pretty easy stop here right above the 5.6. So again, small risk. Pretty big potential. But yeah, stop above the cross there. Yeah, come in, buddy. Oh, nice. Yeah, if mommy says you can play, yeah, absolutely.
The true rules make no decision and a box to find the entry and exit points.
Here's King timing.
Let the tools do the work. Let the tools do the work.
Enigma short on the RTY3.
Let the tools do the work.
RTY just put in an Enigma short. See,
Wait for it.
there's two crosses right next to it.
Emotional losses quickly.
Could be a tricky spot.
Next trade. The next trade.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
Back losses. No FOMO. Let the tools do the work. Let the tools do the work. Let the tools do the work. Let the tools
Deuce.
Let the tools and rules make the decision. Let Algo box define the entry and exit points. Let the tools do the work. Let the tools do the work. Let the tools do the work. Don't trade uncertainty. Wait for it. Get over emotional losses quickly. Focus on the next trade. The next trade can always win back losses. No FOMO. No FOMO. Let the tools do the work. Let the tools do the work. Algo box law. There's a direct correlation between time spent in error and the size of your P&L. Ultimate Algo box law. There's a direct correlation between time spent in error and the size of your P&L. This is the Algo box method. Algo box method. Algo box method. Algo box method. Algo box method.
Enigma short on the RTY3.
Rules make a decision and a will box define the entry and exit points.
Two files ready need to be considered a super AO. Oh, between those two? Yeah, it's too far away.
Heavy steel in the ocean's veins. Silent waves hold ancient pains. The stars above, they seem to warn. A world reborn, a world forlorn. Not a crash but a crawl. Not a fall but a stall. We call it the Titanic zone. Where time moves slow, and stone meets stone. No sudden flips, no sharp returns. Just a ship that twists and yearns. The compass shakes but it won't decide. The winds they pull from every side. A clock unwinds, a map turns gray. The course unclear but we obey. It's a slow deliberate sway. A heavy heart at the break of day. No rushing tide, no screaming sky. Just the weight of why, oh we call it the Titanic zone. Where time moves slow and stone meets stone. No sudden flips, no sharp returns. Just a ship that twists and yearns. Across a curve. Long after time. Not a crash but a crawl, not a fall but a stall. We call it the Titanic zone. We call it the Titanic zone. Where time moves slow and stone meets stone. No sudden flips, no sharp returns. Just a ship that twists and yearns. The compass shakes but won't decide. The winds they pull from every side.
What's up, Casey?
Double Delta NQ on the 4.
Just a ship that twists and yearns. The compass shakes
That is a super AO. Everybody know? Typo 1,
every side. A clock unwinds from never
2 if you're new,
turns gray. The
and 3 if you're still here to troll me.
compass shakes but it won't decide. The winds they pull from every side. A clock unwinds, a map turns gray. The course unclear but we obey. It's a slow deliberate sway. A heavy heart at the break of day. The wings work unwinds, a map turns gray. The course unclear but we obey. It's a slow deliberate sway. A heavy heart at the break of day. No rushing tide, no screaming sky. Just the weight of why, oh we call it the Titanic zone.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Stone meets stone. No sudden flips, no sharp returns. Just a ship that twists and yearns. turns, the ready curve, the storm will flow. The story's the algorithm never told. Three lights plus, a cosmic sway. The ready deep won't lead us astray. We call it the Titanic zone. When the lights align, don't delay. Higher time frame, rotation calls. Through the curve, we'll break the walls.
FIB.NQ on the 9.
Yeah. Look. Look. Big P. It's that fast scout, tight stops, profit stacking clean. You can take me off the chart, but not the chart out of me. I'm a breakout queen, killing New York open heat. You can take me off the screen, but not the trader out of me. Trader, 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 trader out of me. Trader, 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 trader. You can take me off the chart, but not the trader out of me. He like I'm bossed up, never had one that can flip ticks. Let me show you how I risk it, baby. We gon' wild on the open like it's game time. I'm that volume vixen, baby. Profit streak, no fiction, baby. Got that set up as precision, baby. Come get you a Wall Street baddie. I'm young, lit and built for winning, baby. Chart so clean it's criminal. Candle move subliminal. Lady in the club, savage once I'm in the terminal. Boy, this trade's a jackpot play. Stats unlocked like Algo, babe. Big P showing out for them trader babes. It is that fast scout, tight stops, profit stacking clean. You can take me off the chart, but not the chart out of me. I'm a breakout queen, killing New York open heat. You can take me off the screen, but not the trader out of me. Trader, 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 trader out of me. Trader, 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 trader. You can take me off the chart, but not the trader out of me. From the chart to the desk in the city, everywhere I go, I be repping my equity. In the bull zone, deep in the trend, still driving price action like I'm back on the bend. Put it on for the ones who grind, for the traders up late who respect the line. Tick for tick, pip for pip, stacking points every chance I get. I can't quit, market born, sniper entries when the highs get torn. Bad chick from the bell to the close, got that discipline, never froze. Certified candle killer, every win make my bag look bigger. Put it down on big chart daddy, make him fall for a real trade hitter. It's that fast scout, tight stops, profit stacking clean. You can take me off the chart, but not the chart out of me. I'm a breakout queen, killing New York open heat. You can take me off the screen, but not the trader out of me. Trader, 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 trader out of me. Trader, 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 trader. You can take me off the chart, but not the trader out of me.
FIB.NQ on the 39.
In the charts where the markets sway,
Yes, I woohoo, passed an eval. Nice. Now I'll see if I can mess up a PA again.
Eddie D deciphers flow.
So do a quick check, and I don't say you don't have to do this, but if you wanted to do this real quick and share with us, can you determine how many trades did it take you to pass the eval? Number one. Question one is, how many trades did it take you to pass the eval? Number two, if you just pass it, I'm assuming you hit a winner. How many winners in a row did you just have? We're going to talk about some cadence. See if we can maybe help you out.
A steady force. Neo moves with power, of course. Don James knows the game so well. Whiskers breaks through every shell. They share their wisdom, spread the flame. Lift the traders, change the game. From hand the knowledge flies. Building futures, reaching skies. George speaks, the traders learn. Plutonium fuels, the fires burn. They don't just trade, they build, they teach. Their lessons last, their voices reach. They share their wisdom, spread the flame.
Hey, thanks, Ian. Appreciate it, sir.
Change the game. From hand the knowledge flies. Building futures, reaching skies.
Getting your first payout today. Awesome. Happy to hear it. Thanks for sharing. Okay. Bulls on parade.
In the charts where the markets sway, Vinny leads, clears the way. Eddie B deciphers flow, guiding traders where to go. They share their wisdom, spread the flame.
Most wins in a row was 19. You had 19 winners in a row
The game
to pass an eval?
from hand the knowledge flies.
Okay.
Building futures,
Uh,
reaching skies.
well, I would need to know like what kind of trades you're taking. Like, what are your trades and targets? Do you have a recording by chance? Like,
With power, of course.
no, never mind. I don't think I can help you. I don't know if I can help you.
Breaks through every
Oh my god, you win 19 in a row and you're
the flame.
not trading a live account. I don't know, man. It's just, I don't know. I shouldn't even pretend to know anything about trader funding programs
Knowledge flies.
because I don't. I can't imagine winning 19 trades in a row and you're still not even at a point where you can get money, where you don't get to get paid.
force wakes up the traders learn. Plutonium fuels, the fires burn. They don't just trade, they build.
Are they
teach.
like one lots?
Their voices reach.
I don't know. I guess there's so many questions. Like what size account was it? How many trades per contract? And there'd be so many things. I really don't. It's like I think I could tell. No, I can't. I would need to see it. I would need to see it. You have to turn on the game tape for me to even start to think about. Nope. Bulls on parade. 321. The old open line. I said it earlier when we came in. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. We're coming right to the open line, like the worst place ever to play. Just like normally, like I said, great place, amazing place, and yes, we get them, but it just you don't get any juice out of these plays. You play the open line, and remember I showed it yesterday. It was like it's this weird magnetic toroidal field around the open line. It's just turns great trades into mush. Great trades, and they're just mushy. Terrible.
Double delta NQ.
Okay, 2 contracts per trade. What are the max number of contracts you can play in that 50K?
Upper bands touch NQ on the 39.
So the big bear is here. You know, we expect the big bear to defend his area. Should be waiting for crosses up in this area. This green dot will tell us if the bulls have full control or not. They've got to push it more than 20 ticks to do so. We are touching the bull on the optimized range on the 39.
In the start, while we're early alone, feels like my life is taking shape. I close my
You're getting 20 to 40 ticks?
eyes, I find the zone.
Man, that's awesome. Okay, how much do you have to make to pass an eval? Isn't it just like 3K or something?
Upper bands touch NQ on the 39.
All right, we pierced that dot, so bulls are not in control. They push it into the bears, the barrier. Trying to maximize the effort. There's that stinky open line again.
shots wide open. Under the screen's light,
The bulls in this area are absolutely retarded.
I'll show you every fight with shots wide open. Now everything feels clear. I'll show you edge, I'll show no fear. With shots wide open. With shots wide open. I'll show you everything. Oh yeah. With shots wide open. We trade with purpose. We trade with pride. With shots wide open, we're on the rise.
Let me add to my position, for crying out loud. Oh, I tried to add in the cross.
The market moves with no regard, pushes me hard, leaves me scattered, taught to win by playing smart. But chasing dreams just left me battered, false hope dressed up as strategy, noise disguised as clarity. Was blind till I saw the lines. Algo box gave me back my mind. The only true
Pip.NQ on the 4th.
I feel pressure, I feel broken, trying to read the flow, yeah. I feel reckless, I feel alone, but I won't fall this time. No, I feel pressure, I feel broken, fighting ticks and down, yeah. I feel chaos, but now I see the edge is mine to find.
They do sound like Daltrey, don't they? Man, I hadn't heard enough Daltrey songs in a while. Might have to put a playlist on for my workout today.
Fear drawn to the screen, lost in trades that took my steam, red to green, then back again. No plan, just pain, no means to win, but now I map what others miss. Structure leads, no hit or miss. Learn to wait to find my zone. Now the chart feels like home. Edge relay.
pip.nq on the 4th.
Might be right there, PNR. Got a good good thought around that.
Taught to win by playing smart, but chasing dreams just left me battered. False hope dressed up as strategy, noise disguised as clarity.
Here's King timing.
Was blind till I saw the light.
Big move probably coming here. We have Jagged on the tape.
Back my mind.
Not really.
Fear drawn to the screen, lost in trades that took my steam. Red to green, then back again. No plan, just pain, no means to win. But now I'm at
All right. I had to take some at 20 ticks. I'm too chicken.
learn to wait to find my zone. Now the chart feels like home. Edge, real edge.
This feels such a fake out. They're probably going to close it back up above. It's 336. It just looks too easy on the short side. The best trades are not easy. What's up, Keegs? Nope. Not playing with you, bro. We got the 350 algo coming at is it 14 minutes out. Hey Edgar, is this your first time with us? Welcome aboard. So if they're going to push it into, remember this is big bear zone. Grab that note. Just happened, it disappeared. So we'll see if he comes in and defends. The ideal would be to have crosses inside. But it feels like they already kind of laid them back here. So this is the, I mean, this is the load of the accumulation zone, and they want to take it here. But in this environment, are they going to let it get it? We touched the bear zone. They're pushing it out here. I need to hear sellers. I don't hear it. There we go. Finally.
In the start, while we're early alone,
There's
feels like my life is taking shape. I close my eyes and find the zone. I'll go
Upper bands touch NQ on the 39.
I'm not alone. Now I've seen the order flow. In the rhythm, truth will show. It's not luck, it's skill and plan. Algo taught me how to stand. With shots wide open, under the screen's light. Welcome to this trade. I'll show you every fight. With shots wide open. With shots wide open.
okay, 50 cent cracked. So bulls are not in full control. Nope, just kidding. No, they are in full control. Just kidding. Wow, they just ate me up. That is a, that's a super AO. Need to hear the buyers quit. Are we at the 350 algo? No, we got 10 minutes. All right, super AO inside of
39.
the big bear. That's the cross I was hoping for. Let's go. Now I should be waiting on that PRZ. That is a 1, 2, 3, 5. We went to a 6 in there with a super AO. There's the PRZ right here. That's the absolute ideal, but I'm trying to build into a position on a 1, 2, 3 banger. There's a cross. I'm going to add to position. Pop up above the cross. I'll half it up.
Long NQ on the 4.
Seeing Intel shares jump to second high up as much as 8.9%.
If I could pass just one command, stay disciplined, don't trade my head, let stats and structure guide your way.
To further detail there, straight to the discussions within
Hopefully that traps in some longs. They don't know that bear's there. That bear came in a long time ago. Remember, way back over there.
the company's efforts to expand domestic
They don't know he's there.
people familiar with
That's
the
a
plan.
super AO.
The deal would help shore up Intel's planned factory hub in Ohio, it said to people. The company had once promised to turn that site into the world's
1, 2, 3.
facility.
Banger.
Repeatedly,
The bang would be the PRZ
stake isn't clear.
or a dot. Right now, the only PRZ I see is actually up there. I'm just FOMOing it because sometimes it comes right off without even having a PRZ. And I'm a bit anxious today, as you can tell. Not exactly in the best state of mind to be trading. But the Algo box just makes it too easy.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Green dotted. Gotta respect them if they're gonna step. Nope, they didn't. Zeus into the dot. Come on, crack that dot. Let's go. Crack it. Don't let the bulls take over control. Come on, crack it. Don't let them maintain control. We've got 6 minutes. Oh. Green dot is coming back in to hold. Oh, boo. Alright, nope, bulls still do have control.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Upper bands touch NQ on the 39.
Similar Algo by Apex Investing. Yeah, right. What Algo? All right, this guy's trolling. What are you talking about? There's a similar Algo in Apex Investing. Shut up, dude. All right, this guy's trolling. Let's see. I mean, it could be getting lost in translation here, but I'm just saying. There's the PRZ. Give me a PRZ shark back.
Divergence down NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 4.
All right, I'm all in on this one. Dude, you're not gonna film me? I don't think so, bro. Yeah, the Apex stuff is not anything close to what we do. Love me some Apex on their trader funding stuff, and you know they've done a lot of coding, but it ain't no algo box. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we're either gonna have a big 10K day on my hands, or it's a lost day. We got 4 minutes till the 350 algo. Power HMD. 1, 2, 3 banger.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Pink dot on the 9s. $350 algo coming in about 2 minutes. Oh, they're cracking the dot on me. Five, 6. Let's go. Phyllis problem. Come on, Phyllis. Don't make me call Phil. Let's go. All right, 1 minute to the 350 algo. It's about to get wild.
About to give you market on close imbalance data.
It's a red day or it's a giant payday. 45 seconds. 1, 2, 3 banger on the tape. 10 seconds.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Uh-oh. Let's go.
10 seconds.
Oh, I miscalculated. Now it's 10 seconds.
Fib.N for band
Oh.
NQ on the 49.
Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 248 million. Nasdaq 100 buy side
CCM NQ on the 4.
246 million. Dow 30 sell side 100
NQ
million.
on the 39.
Buy side 107 million.
DCEM along on the NQ4.
Oh, get that Enigma out of there. Ain't nobody got time for that.
DCVM NQ on the 4.
According to Nikkei, and will propose building a logistics network that spans the Indian Ocean to Africa at a summit next week.
RTY still pointing straight up. Dow sitting on its top ropes. ES, it's nerve-wracking. ES is still pointing up.
India, the Middle East, and Africa.
Not good. We got an Enigma right there. That is a moonshot long. Really need to hear audio box start to kick. Bring it on down to the open line. Come on now.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
There's a red dot in there. Give me that power headshot. Don't break that dot. Nope. Don't break it.
Upper band.
Broke the dot.
On the 39.
We are in the bear zone. Come on, biddies. Come on, guys. Step up to the plate. Double dot on the 39s. I don't think it's going to let it. Nope. They're pushing. All right, let me close it out. Yeah, they put in a double dot in there too. On the 39s, 23,963 is almost in the bag there.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 39.
In the start, while we're early alone, feels like my life is taking shape. I close my eyes, I find the zone.
All right, here is it's 353, lucky sevens. Where's the trap? I mean, it looks like a bull trap to me. Got to get under the line. 30 seconds for the lucky sevens play.
We have posted out the article from the Nikkei.
bands touch NQ on the 39.
President says Bitcoin forfeited to US to serve as strategic reserve.
Going for it. Let's see. Okay, Bears. Go Bears. Let's go. Come on, Bears. Do your thing for once. Nope. Never mind. Oh, no, man. Bull's too powerful.
NQ on the 39.
Come on now. Okay, they're getting fast. Fast favors the Bears. Come on. Not at end of day, though. This could be the Bulls just ripping their horns.
Committed to exploring budget-neutral pathways to acquire more Bitcoin to expand the reserve and to execute on Trump's policy to make the US the Bitcoin superpower of the world.
With charts wide open under the screen's light. Welcome to this edge. I'll show you every fight. With charts wide open, now everything feels clear. I'll show you edge. I'll show no fear. With charts
I mean, it is a perfect 1, 2, 3 banger. I mean, I would be very surprised for it not to. And I like that it's actually hard here. I like that it is hard to get. I know that's weird, but again, remember how earlier, like, I don't like the ones that are just too obvious. It's like if it's too easy, it's probably not going to happen.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
Okay, where's 100 ticks from the high? 100 ticks would be, that's 135, that's too far. 100 ticks is
Fib.
right to that
NQ on
bottom
the 9.
yellow line right there.
in the start, while we're all alone, feels
Right
like
there.
my life is taking shape. I close my eyes, I find the zone. Algo's voice, I'm not alone. Now I see
BCDMNQ on the 4.
in the rhythm, truth will show. It's not luck, it's skill and plan. Algo taught me how to stay with shots wide open.
ES is still pointing straight up.
Welcome to this trade. I'll show you every fight with shots wide open.
A beautiful clustering of process here. We should be able to get the biggest drop out if this were not end of day. Any other time of day, any other normal environment. Beautiful set of clustering.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Go touch the 100 tick line. Let's go. Do it. Bulls are like, not gonna let it happen. They're like, nope.
Fib.NQ on the 39.
Oh, come on, Bulls. Let it go, bro. Such a perfect set of clustering in there. Any other time, any other place. Almost to the 100 tick. There's the 100 tick. I'll peel half. All right, I'll close it right there. All right, 5K was all it was in for the day, man. I've hit 5K multiple times all day. It was almost in the cards from moment one. Oh, I forgot closing out. I forgot the bots. The bots don't count. Don't. Let's flatten the bots. Flatten.
Lower bands touch.
All right, the bots are up 55.85. The bots beat me. Turn off full auto, close, full auto off, full auto off. I don't want it to take any more trades. It's getting too wild now. All right, the bots cleaning up. Pinch hitter. I don't know. I lost track in there. We had some reds. We had some, I don't know. We finished out in green. Let's make this more red. This pretty much feels like how the day finished out there. Clustering, boom, full dropout. That's nice. Yay, hooray. Too hard. Too hard. Just not, wasn't in the cards for me today. All right, between the two. What was this? Oh, this is from yesterday. Actually, we should bring this over. So this is from yesterday, cleaned up, just at the high, just over. As soon as I hit back to the high, I closed out the positions yesterday at the end of the day. What's today? The 14th. So let's grab 14th. Bumpy road. Well, it's probably not going to be pretty. Yeah, it is not pretty. Yeah, that is not a pretty P&L curve. Back and forth.
Lower bands touch NQ.
That was rough.
39.
All right, Eddie officially 55.85 plus 47.28. Be the official there, and there it is. Look at this, all the way down to the zone. They just did it at the worst time. So hard to have rode all the way through that. That is a, you know what? No, I'm gonna sell that. That number is smaller than the others. I think I've got some more in it. That is not an increased number. We want 10, 10, and that is an 8.5. We would need a larger number after the next sequence for it to finish, and we're so close to the big bear profit zone. We'd like to add in right here at this little zone right here, the 8.5. Get down in there. Give me a full 40 ticks. Get all the way in there. Get all the way. There you go. That's a good girl. All right. Just kidding. We're at, what do we do? 11? I don't know. I can't do that kind of math.
Up NQ on the 9.
That
Fib.NQ on the
is not a bad way to end it. Finally, the Bears did exactly what they needed to do. Big bear, take profit zone. The Bulls held it above, right, so that they can still close the day and say, oh, we closed positive on the day. Because look, 4 o'clock is probably right at the close. Yep, look what they did. 4 o'clock. So now you can go to CNBC, and they're like, ha ha, we closed positive on the day, because they're not going to count this after hours stuff right here, right? They get to still say, oh, we closed basically flat on the day. Shut up. Oh, that's a beauty. I like it.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
I'm holding on your tricks. Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. Algo box, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play.
All right, all the way down. Now, let's see. Did they bring in another 8? Nope. It's a 6 and a 6-9. So that's the Super AO inside of the big bear take profit zone. So they'll, well, we don't know. I can't say exactly what they're going to do, but I'm just saying. Just saying. All right, I'll catch you guys in the morning. See ya.